Hi Coach Bern, happy birthday. Thank you so much na nakasama mo ako dito sa team nyo as part of your team here in Republica. You're a very blessed daddy. Okay, may family ka na on your own. And then, you got a very strong community here in Republica. I really appreciate na I've been part of the crew. Okay, thank you so much. And then, hopefully, mas marami ka pang matulungan. Ayun nga, gusto mo pang lumaki tong box mo. At the same time, I'm praying for your growth and then success sa habang buhay na makakatulong ka sa fitness ng CrossFit. Coach, happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Coach Bern. Thank you so much sa lahat. Sana hindi ka magsawa sa amin. Love you.
Hi Coach, happy birthday. Thanks for giving us good health.
Coach Burns, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Bern, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach Bern. Love you.
Happy birthday, Coach Bern. We love you.
Happy birthday, Coach! We love you!
Heart.
Birthday, Coach.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Coach. Happy birthday, Coach Bern.
Hi brother, happy birthday. Wala ko ibang wish is maging successful ka syempre sa family, sa career, and all the aspects sa buhay. Always choose happiness kahit na maraming di magandang nangyayari sa paligid. Always choose positive brother, and that's it. I love you so much. Thank you.
Coach Bern, happy birthday.
Otanjubi ako dito! Happy birthday, Coach! Daisuki dayo.
Happy birthday Coach Bern. I hope you enjoy the day and thank you for all the guidance and coaching.
Happy birthday, Coach Bern.
Hi Coach! Happy birthday! Gusto ko lang sabihin na I appreciate you and everything that you do, especially sa aming mga athletes mo. Coach, you change lives and I will be forever grateful for being under your wing and for continuously learning under you. I wish you nothing but the best. Happy birthday.
Yan.
Happy birthday, Coach Bern. Thank you for your patience and guidance sa training namin kahit na masakit sa ulo. We love you and huwag kang magsasawa sa amin. Kasi, babarili.
Happy birthday, Coach!
Happy birthday, Coach Bern. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Coach Bern.
Happy birthday, Coach Bern!
Hi Coach, happy birthday from your OA athlete.
Happy birthday, Coach.
Coach, happy birthday.
Coach, happy birthday pala. Sa Monday na birthday mo ha. Sana sa birthday mo, magkaroon ako ng lifters. Birthday mo naman. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Coach Bern.
Happy birthday kapatid. So, sa Monday, trabaho ka muna, wala sasapon ng schedule.
Happy birthday, Coach Bern. Sorry I couldn't make it sa Dice game. Bawi na lang ako sa mga classes. And ano naman ako. Nag-contribute ako sa Dice game. So, tirahan niya ako na lechon. And happy birthday! Really grateful na I'm here with the Republica family.
Hi, Coach Bern. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the good things 2024 up to 2025 will bring you. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Hi Coach Bern! Happy birthday! Thank you sa pasensya mo at saka sa dedication mo and sa lahat ng hard work mo sa pag-program, sa pag-alaga sa mga athletes, sa pag-check-in sa amin. Marami silang hindi nakikita, which I can only see. And all I can say is I'm so proud of who you've become and what you're doing.